All right, everybody, this is a quick video before I get on the road to Sturgis. Got a couple days. I'll be heading out to Sturgis on the Road Glide ST, the CVO. So the CVO Road Glide ST 121. We've all been talking about it. Everybody's looking at it. Love it, hate it, whatever you want. I don't care. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm going to call my videos, let me do the stupid shit, because I've been getting ripped on for doing stuff to my bike. You know, when I did the exhaust, I ripped out all the baffling on the exhaust and caught hell. But you know what? I already ordered the Bassani. I knew I was going with a 2-in-1. It's the way I like to roll. So got it. Anybody that's been asking me questions, I've been trying to answer the questions, and two questions I've had, or one, somebody was talking about the AirTag, and yes, I run an AirTag on the bike. I keep an Apple AirTag on the motorcycle. People say, oh, anybody can find it. If they know it's there, they can find it. You know what? It's just, I'm not running a full-blown security system. I'm not saying it's the greatest security system in the world. But that little AirTag is, you drop it in the bottom of your saddlebag, hide it in wherever you want. Hide it under a fender, do whatever you want. You know, you can find your bike. If it's moving on the road and rolling away from you, somebody stole it, you can follow them. Most likely the person who stole it, their phone's going to connect to that AirTag and let you know where it is. So I like the AirTags. I'm not sure how everybody else feels about them, but I think it's pretty cool. Other thing I wanted to talk about, I got asked about, was the Apple CarPlay. No, the Apple CarPlay is not remote unless you have this device right here. It is just a little speaker, like an earphone plug that plugs in, and it Bluetooth. There's the name of it. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. I'll let you all try to pronounce that. It's just plugged in, and it doesn't plug into anything else. It just plugs in, and it Bluetooths to your phone and allows your phone to then connect to CarPlay wirelessly, so you can put your phone in your pocket. Now, I'm getting ready to ride to Sturgis, so I'm going to plug my phone in, probably have it plugged in the whole time, so I won't even need that device. It will just be there. Other than that, guys, the bike's been amazing. Motherwell product right here. This is the rack that's going on the back for my tent and my sleeping bag for going out to Sturgis. It is going to be the kind of you know, what do you call it, dry camping. When I get out to Sturgis, yes, I do camp when I'm out there. So that Motherwell product, I don't have a link or anything like that, but if you look up the Motherwell solo seat cargo rack, I highly recommend the company. They are amazing. I ordered that on a weekend, and on Monday they contacted me and said, hey, they're all out at the powder coater. We understand if you want to cancel your order, you can. And I said, no. I wrote them back and said, hey, I just need it by the end of the month. And they said, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll next day mail it to you as soon as it gets back from powder coaters. And man, they hooked me up. They got it here a week ago. I've had it for plenty enough time to get to Sturgis. Easy to mount, easy to put on, goes right on, fits perfect. I did put PPF, I think is the name of that film. I did put PPF on the top of the saddlebags and the top of the fender. I did that because last time when I went to Sturgis, I had my camping gear back there, and the strap from the pack just beat the top of the saddlebag the whole way out there. Didn't even realize it. You know, you get going, you don't even think about that stuff. But the paint looked awful, so I thought I'd try this Amazon El Cheapo PPF film. I put it on today. It wasn't too hard to put on. I mean, it's not perfect, trust me. There's bubbles everywhere. You can't see them right now, but there's little bubbles, and I don't care. It's coming off when I get home, but I just wanted to protect the bike on the way out to Sturgis from the luggage. I also purchased Saddleman's bag for that rack. Love this product. A little pricey, but I love the product because of the rack, the way it mounts on the rack on the bottom. It's got three cargo Velcro tie downs that go on right through that rack and hold it to the top of it. Not 100% sure how weatherproof it's going to be, but it's just going to be my tent and my sleeping bag. So I'll a couple other little odds and ends. So love the Saddleman product here. Love the bag, a little pricey, But anyway, that's all I really got, guys. I just thought I'd make another video, share my journey. I'm rolling out Tuesday the 31st, I think, that evening. I'm rolling out to Sturgis, but going cross country first, so I'll be going all the way over to Four Corners up to Washington State and come across the Snake River through 12 back to Sturgis, and then a few days camping, and then back over to North Carolina, Tennessee, North Carolina, hit the tail of the dragon and cut back over through Asheville and come on back down 95 to Florida. So 6,200 miles, I think it was, 6,180 something miles, something like that. So next video I post, I'll be on the road. Thanks, guys.